So today I wanted to share one of my favorite safety brushes, and this is a Kona coil brush. Now I've had this for a long time and I only use it when I am trying to clean something low temperature that needs a good rubbing with it. And the fact that it doesn't have any bristles makes it extra safe. Now some people use different things, and again, when I'm using something really high temperature, I have a different device that I use, but on low temperature, I like to use this. Now, of course, I do still have some of these brushes around, but this is a way to go for safety. Now, this is not very dirty right now because I cleaned it really well when I used it yesterday, but I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna spray a little bit of olive oil on here. Watch out for a little flare up here, so don't get too close. And then I'm gonna take this and I'm just gonna go back and forth on it, just like that. Now, if you get the right angle, you can get the grates to go in between the coils and you can really get down on them like this. Now, after I'm done going that direction, I'll oil again, and then I'll go crossways. So I have to tell you that this grill is really old, and I have been maintaining these grates with this when they get to where they really need to be scrubbed down really good, and I have had no problem. So this brush is roughly 4 years old. And again, I don't use it every single time, but it is in great condition. So just check that out. Also, there's an article below with links to an article covering different safe methods for cleaning your grill without a bristle brush. And this is included in that article. So check that out.